Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for May 9. The Youth and Culture Ministry has launched a new job creation initiative called Digital Jam 2.0. It's designed to introduce young people to trends, training, job and entrepreneurial opportunities in the virtual economy while showcasing their talents, ideas and successes.
So Digital Jam 2.0, 2.0 is a catalyst to launch our activities across government to recognize that if we are going to move, not only do we have to work together in terms of policy, but we also have to make our young people understand what is at stake.
With funding totaling upwards of $200,000, a program of events, competitions and other activities will be executed over the next 6 to 8 weeks. The initiative is being supported by the World Bank and other major partners, including the United States Agency for International Development and communication firms Flow and Lime. Teachers' Day is an opportunity to do two important things: recognize and celebrate the members of a noble profession and reflect on our own lives and how much our past teachers have aided our journey to success. That's the message from the Education Minister, Reverend Ronald Thwaites, as the country salutes its educators this Wednesday. Minister Thwaites asserts that teachers are the creators of positive social consciousness who directly mold or otherwise influence the character, values and attitudes that are retained within society. For that, he says the entire society is indebted to teachers and their active partnership in Jamaica's development. In other education news, the ministry has received 113 computers that will be distributed to 50 schools in recognition of Jamaica's Golden Jubilee. The computers were provided by the Scotia Foundation, and the schools will also receive post-installation support and training. The Portfolio Minister Ronald Thwaites praised the donation, which will benefit a mix of basic, primary, and all-age and junior high schools.
When a major financial institution like Scotiabank decides to help in this way, they are helping to build up humanity among our people, among our children, and give them all the new competencies and skills that they need.
Government's program to encourage domestic tourism has been launched for the 2012 calendar year. The Experience Jamaica program is aimed at encouraging persons living and working in Jamaica to experience the country's award-winning tourism product at special rates.
So this Experience Jamaica program, as the name implies, is really about building awareness. Awareness of what Jamaica has to offer and facilitating a reconnection with Jamaica and Jamaicans.
This year, resorts and attractions are offering discounts of up to 50% to Jamaicans in support of the initiative. The 2012 program was officially launched with a travel trade show on May 8 at the Wyndham Kingston Hotel. The Jamaica Tourist Board will be taking that trade show on the road with stops in several other towns. The Port Morant Health Center in St. Thomas has been officially reopened to the public following an extensive renovation exercise. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the health center will assist in providing community-based interventions to tackle lifestyle and other illnesses for over 9 communities.
This is a small step towards our goal of advancing the social and economic development of our people. The government will continue to deliver on our commitment to make strategic investments in primary health care and provide a basket of services at the community level.
The renovation was funded by the National Health Fund at a cost of $5 million. And finally, Jamaica will be hosting the upcoming 37th Annual Commonwealth Parliamentary Association CPA Conference from May 11 to 18 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel. The event, which is expected to attract participants from 15 countries, is the highlight of the regional parliamentary collaborative efforts. It's being held under the theme, Low Citizen Confidence in Governance: How can parliamentarians build trust in Caribbean legislatures? Among the highlights are special engagements of the Commonwealth women parliamentarians and the staging of the 9th Youth Parliament.
They will be debating the motion, be it resolved that the Speaker of the House be independently elected to ensure that the provisions of the standing orders and other rules of Parliament are effectively enforced.
Jamaica last hosted the event in 1998. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.